Donut Trumpig, the one and only. People say, Donut, you know everything about wallets. The best wallets, the classiest wallets. And it's true. Nobody knows wallets better than me. Today we're talking about Rabby Wallet. Tremendous wallet. Believe me. First, let me tell you, the people who made Rabby Wallet are the same geniuses behind dBank. Fantastic site! By the way, you can look at your wallet and other people's wallets. Everybody loves spying on their neighbor's wallet. Don't lie, it's like Facebook for crypto, but without your aunt posting cat memes. dBank raised $25 million, folks. Big money from big names. Coinbase Ventures, Dragonfly Capital. Only the best, only winners, not losers. And now they made Rabby Wallet. Incredible move. Smart people, almost as smart as me. Why is it so good? Number one, smooth multi-chain action. You don't have to run around adding networks like a maniac. It just works automatically. You click, boom, you're there. Easy. Even Sleepy Joke Bidon could figure it out. Maybe, maybe not. Let's be honest, probably not. Number two, safety. The most important thing. Security so strong, it makes Fort Knox look like a kid's piggy bank. If a site looks suspicious, Rabby Wallet warns you. Orange iffy, red disaster. Saves you from losing your money to scammers. Nobody likes scammers, except China. They love scammers. They're very good at it. Sad. Number three, it shows you exactly how much you're spending in dollars. Not monopoly money, real American dollars. The best currency, believe me. You won't click confirm and wake up broke. Very, very smart feature. I like it. And it gets even better. 4 years of security audits. Serious stuff. It works with more than 85 networks. Compatible with cold wallets, institutional wallets, more than 1,000 dApps too. That's huge. Bigger than my rallies. Almost. Nobody has bigger rallies, but this wallet comes close. Also, and this is important, Rabby Wallet doesn't glitch all the time like MetaMask. MetaMask is like that old car your uncle keeps fixing, but it still doesn't start. Rabby Wallet runs smooth. Smooth like Donut Trumpig's golf swing. Beautiful swing. Some say the best swing in history. Setup is easy. You download it, create a new wallet, write down your 12 words. Don't lose them, folks. If you lose them, your money is gone faster than Joke Bidon forgets what state he's in. Then you set a password, confirm, boom, you're in business. Sending money? Easy. Copy the address, send it, and Rabby Wallet handles the network. No stress. Inside you've got swaps, bridges, collections, transaction history. You can even revoke approvals. Very important for safety. Don't give approvals away like Democrats give away taxpayer money. Take them back sometimes. Protect yourself. You can change languages, add networks, even import wallets from MetaMask. It's flexible, strong, beautiful, almost as strong as my wall. And yes, the wall works. So let's wrap this up. Doesn't matter if you're new in crypto or already a superstar pro, Rabby Wallet is the winner. Open source code, constant audits, gorgeous design, smooth as silk. Honestly, folks, it's the best. The best. MetaMask, total disaster. Complete loser. Rabby Wallet, total winner. And listen, if you want to know more about crypto, all the tutorials, the latest news, the hottest projects, and of course how Donut Trumpig makes money online, subscribe to my channel. Drop your questions in the comments. Smash that like button. I worked very hard on this. Harder than anyone, believe me. Together, we will make America great again. And make your wallet so great, even China will be jealous.